अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं मोहम्मद खालिद अपने एजुकेशनल चैनल के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो इज़ वेरी कॉमन और आपने सुना होगा 80-20 रूल। तो 80-20 रूल का तो आपको पता है। दिस रूल वाज़ फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड बाय द पेरेटो। इसको पेरेटो प्रिंसिपल कहते हैं एंड इट इज़ ए सिंपल आइडिया। इट इज़ ए सिंपल आइडिया। इसका मतलब ये है कि रफली 80% रिजल्ट्स केम फ्रॉम 20% कॉजेस के को 80% रिजल्ट कम्स फ्रॉम 20% केसेस एंड it is named after Wilfredo. Uh, it named after the Wilfredo Pareto, who noticed that about 80% of Italy's land is occupied by 20% people. Let's see what is this. Simple example. Work 20% of 20% of tasks created from 80% of results. 20% of tasks create 80% of results. Number two, business. 20% of customers generate 80% of revenues. Number three, learning. 20% of concept give you 80% of understanding. Number four, problems. 20% of causes create 80% of issues. 20% of problems causes causes uh, 20% of causes create 80% of issues. Why it matters? Why it is matters? Number one, instead of trying to do everything, the rule help you focus on what actually matters. Focus on what actually matters. You don't need to waste the time. You have to focus on what actually matters. Number two, save time and energy. Save time and energy. Number three, mm, get better results with less efforts. Get better results with less efforts. Number three, practical way to use it. Ask yourself, ask yourself, आप अपने आप से पूछें, ask yourself, which small set of action gives much the bigger result. Which small set of actions give me the biggest result. वो कौन सा छोटा हिस्सा है जो कि मुझे ज़्यादा रिजल्ट दे सकता है. What can I ignore that does not matter much. किसको मैं इग्नोर करूं जो कि ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं करता. Then do more of the important 20%. Do more of the important 20%. Do more of the important 20%. Reduce reduce or eliminate the unimportant 80%. Unimportant 80%. Unimportant 80%. Important note. It is not always exactly 80 to 20. Sometimes it is 70 to 30 or 90 to 10. The key idea is imbalance. The key idea is imbalance. A few things matter much more than the rest. इसका मतलब कि few things are matter more than the rest. It is not always exactly 80 to 20. Sometimes this is 70 to 30 or 90 to 10. The key idea is imbalance. A few things matter much more than the rest. Please, ये हमने मिलके इसको जो प्रोजेक्ट है इसको कंप्लीट करना है. आपके ताउन की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. ये 80-20 रूल जो पेरेटोस का है, पेरेटो प्रिंसिपल कहते हैं, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और तकरीबन हर जगह इस्तेमाल करता है. आपके कोऑपरेशन के लिए वी आर थैंकफुल. बहुत शुक्रिया.